back to my channel. We have a very exciting video for you today. Today we are doing a massive Nykaa We are doing a massive Nykaa pink box unboxing haul video today. Which cost a lot. We spent a lot of money. So before we start, we have two very exciting guests with us. The first one is my sister. Hi, introduce yourself.
Hi guys, I'm Sagrika and this is my first video with my sister. So, let's see.
Let's see, what are you going to see? And the second guest we have is Mama Chakrabarti because she wanted to be in the video. Mama कोई काम नहीं है यहाँ पे. She just wanted to be in the video.
Hi!
How we are going to do this video is so she's going to open her box, I'm going to open my box with her.
मैं कोई भी box खोल सकती
नहीं and
मैं gift लेने आई हूँ.
that's true. This is shipped to Riya Chakrabarti and wait, no, not you. You are stupid.
You are stupid. मम्मी गाली दीजिए.
गाली? मम्मी का देख के बताओ.
So I got this Mamaearth Vitamin C face wash for my mom because she is so much into vitamin C products nowadays. Vitamin C this, vitamin C that.
Thank you.
Got this free with like any Mamaearth product. I think any Mamaearth product you buy, you will get this face moisturizer free, which is the oil-free face moisturizer with apple cider. I think it's pretty good.
Also, we are not sponsored from Nykaa. This is all our own money.
Yeah.
Good. Sponsored.
Good stuff.
Please.
Thank you. So next, in the spirit of giving others, this I got for my sister, which is the Nykaa Get Cheeky Blush Duo. And this is, I think I'll open it.
She got me a blush duo because somebody broke my blush.
This is the blush palette. It has two colors.
These are like colors that would suit my skin tone in a way. And
Okay. I think you should say something.
that how sorry you are that you broke my blush palette.
You should be thanked.
English. You should be thanks.
So the next
I have made my
No, I still have stuff.
I have two stuff. The first thing I see is the receipt. I'm not going to show you that. This is the Vega Premium Eyelash Curler. The horrified look she had on her face. No! I got the Vega Premium Eyelash Curler. This was very cheap.
Next what I got was this duo, which is the Nivea Shower Gel Clay Fresh with the Nivea Oil and Lotion Rose and Argan Oil Moisturizer. So this is a pretty good duo, I'll say. I think you'll use it every day. I'll use this every day.
I want to smell it. It smells like shit.
So the last thing in my box is the Maybelline concealer, which I got in shade 15 Fair.
But I have used this. I use this all the time. It's good.
But yeah, it's pretty good.
Anyone searching for a good concealer, go for that. It's really good. So the last thing I have in this box, I actually know what this is.
Box is really cute.
So I have been wanting this for a while now. It's like a house. So I've been wanting this. It's been in my wish list for a while now. It's the Dot & Key Skincare Acne Defense Green Clay Mask. I have been recommended this for a while now and I got it. This is a part of a set that is available for the pink box sale. So if you want, grab this, please. I really want to open this. It's the Nykaa luxury store. I already know what's in it. That is why I'm so excited. This is called Luxury. Hello.
This is the box.
Ooh, a lot of stuff. Wait,
You won't believe.
Nykaa?
Yeah.
I thought this was Nivea.
No, I got
Nykaa,
You
मेरा
won't
body
believe,
butter.
guys. I got these two, the big ones, in just 535
Holy cow.
And one
this was
cost
like-
550.
Yeah, like one costs more than 600 rupees, the 200 ml ones, and these both are 535.
Nykaa coming through.
This is the Wanderlust Hawaiian Jasmine. Before we've used the Japanese cherry blossom,
blossom.
and that smells awesome. But this one, I think maybe it's good, but we have to check.
Nykaa body butter.
The body butter's
Very good.
formula is really smooth, and it is a
like-
body butter. So
Like if you want to go for a body cream, go for this. It's very nice.
the entire range is flawless.
I want to show you the trio which I got. So it's a Neutrogena trio. It has this Hydro Boost Water Gel. I have not used this before, but I would like to give it a try. It comes with a blackhead eliminating daily scrub. I have got this oil-free acne face wash. So
nice.
these summer times, like you feel like you have to use some acne eliminating products. So I think you should go for this. This is pretty good.
Freshness.
I've heard a lot of good reviews about this.
So this is like a skincare routine in a way. Yeah, like you wash your face, you scrub it, and then you put the Hydro Boost water gel.
Yeah.
And also her skin is really dry, so I feel like this Hydro Boost water gel would be really good for her.
I also got this sunblock.
It's tiny.
Yeah, I got the sunblock from Neutrogena. I wanted to give it a try. Sunblock doesn't suit me very much.
But you need
Because-
it because
yeah.
without sun, if you don't wear SPF, your entire skincare routine goes to waste.
Yeah, so I wanted to try this one because the previous ones didn't suit me very much.
If you guys have really sensitive skin or you want to go for something different other than cosmetic brands, use products of either Cetaphil or Neutrogena. These two are really good for your skin.
Dun, dun, dun.
This is like a pink box. Okay.
Magic box.
Okay. Oh, they have a card. Oh, I have a note. Okay.
ये सब तो मैंने कभी नहीं देखा तुम्हारे कार्ड में.
हाँ.
मैं भी लूंगी.
So I got the Glam Glow Essential Mask and Moisturizer
It
Kit.
has a really nice smell.
It already smells strawberry fantastic. Like right out of like not even we have not even unboxed this yet. As compared to other masks in the market, these are comparatively little smaller size, but these work wonders. So use these during special occasions and stuff. So this is not the only thing. During the sale, I got something free with this. And let me tell you, when I say I was more excited about the free thing than this.
Yeah, very good. Shabash.
This I got a holographic Glam Glow makeup bag free, and it's holographic. It's so cute. I love it. So
Hollywood.
I am happy. Mom wants me to open this. It says hello sexy. Hi.
Oh.
These are so cute. So this is the Supermart clearing treatment. This is the Flash Mud brightening treatment. And this is the Glow Star Mega Illuminating Moisturizer. So cute.
So the next thing which I got, this Lakme Absolute Pore Fixer Tool.
My small box.
So I always wanted something
It's
like
not
this.
yours.
Sorry. Continue. I always wanted something like this, but maybe I was waiting for a sale like this to happen. So I think it's a go, go, go. So one more thing which I got was this Faces Canada eyeliner. So I already have a Faces Canada mascara,
Which I
And-
gave you. You should be thanks.
and now I have the liner. I'll say this works pretty good, and you should all try this. And now I have a duo. So these next items, I don't know how they wound up in my cart. But yeah. So this is a baking powder, which is
Not a bit.
face baking. I don't know what this is.
This is the Revolution Loose Banana Powder. It can be used for setting and it can be used for setting and baking your face.
So if you have never baked, cake?
Your face, not a cake. Just because it smells like banana, do not eat it. It's not edible.
And the next thing is the Fit Me Compact from Maybelline. This is in the shade Light Ivory.
Maybelline's entire Fit Me line is really good and you should all try it. We've got the big box! Chui!
Chori.
Everybody stop handling. Oh, I know what this is.
I don't know.
So, okay.
ये मुझे भी चाहिए.
Shush, lip gel. Nahi.
Lip mask.
So, shush, 8 minutes, let me speak. Tony Moly is a brand that a lot of people talk about, including my best friends, and they are obsessed with Tony Moly products. You won't believe I got all of this for like 150 or 200. All of these, okay. First of it is their rice sheet mask, and I've heard a lot of good things about this. The second is I am red wine sheet mask. We have egg pour nose strips, and then we have 2 of the Kiss Kiss lovely lip patches. So cute. So cute.
एक मेरा है, एक तुम्हारा है.
नहीं, सब मेरा है.
ठीक है.
Let me stop. That was a Tony Moly set that I got. The other thing is also a set. It's like a duo, and it's a L'Oreal duo. I have been wanting to try this mascara for the longest time, but did you really think I'm gonna pay full price for this? No. So instead of paying full price for that one mascara, I got 2 things. First of all, I got the L'Oreal Paris Lash Paradise Mascara. This is something that literally every single person talks about in the beauty industry. And I'm so excited to try this. So mummy, I might have something for you. This is the L'Oreal Paris Rouge Signature lip shade in 121 I Choose. Really good deal, guys. If you really want to try the Rouge Signature lipstick and the Lash Paradise mascara, which I'm dying to try. Like, I've got 2 of these things for the price of 1. You cannot beat that. It's like opening Christmas presents. But like, we never get Christmas presents. So this is a lipstick from Blue Heaven. The only reason I got this because this was selling at 95 rupees. I got this for 95 rupees. And it's a really nice nude shade. So I don't really think I'm gonna use this, but if any of you guys want, you can have this. So मुझे दोनों हाथ मत लगाओ. I don't know if this is gonna suit me, but you know, you can have this.
No.
You should be thanks.
No.
I'm not.
Actually, I got the banana powder. She copied me. So
No. This is not what happened.
I've used this before and I really like it. So yeah. So you remember that I said that I got this as a part of a set. Well, this is the other thing. This is the Dot & Key Skin Clarifying Face Serum. This is a face serum with tea tree and clary sage oil. So I got both of these for the price of 1.
But make sure that tea tree suits you.
I am really excited. So this was a duo that I got and I am very happy about it. So, Nana!
एक और खोल लेता हूँ.
Another skincare brand that a lot of people rave about is McCaffeine, and one of my best friends is like a McCaffeine addict. She's literally a McCaffeine addict. Like, you name a product of McCaffeine and she has it. She has used it all. So finally I got something from McCaffeine as well, and listen, this smells like coffee and cocoa. So this is the McCaffeine Naked and Raw Coffee Face Scrub, and I'm really excited about it. During the sale, this is not the only thing that I got from McCaffeine. When I bought this, Nykaa gave me a free McCaffeine coffee hand cream. You can have this.
बर्तन धोना पड़ता है ना.
retinol. So yeah. Mama.
Mama.
Mama के लिए Mama Earth.
So I got another face wash for Mama from Mama Earth. This is the charcoal face wash. And as we said earlier that with every Mama Earth product you get the moisturizer free. So we did get one free.
This is the last of our stuff. It is sad.
This is the Mom's Co Natural Vita Rich Under Eye Cream. नहीं मेरा नहीं है. I suffer with dark circles. This is like a pump with a metal roller on the top. So I really want to use it for a while and then see if this does me any favors because I really need it. And the last product that we have for you in this haul is the Faces Canada Ultimate Pro Makeup Fixer Spray. The Faces Canada Ultimate Pro Makeup Fixer Spray. And let's see if it smells nice.
बस सूखने दे.
No, I don't think.
मम्मी वैसे.
आजा.
मैंने मेकअप किया ही नहीं तो क्या है. बस खत्म हो जाएगा. दिन को आता वेट कर.
So that's it. That's all we have for you today. I really hope you like it. And the sun is setting down, so we really have to go. And Mama, कैसे लगे आपको products? And how did you like everything?
I bought most of the stuff.
You don't need to brag about it. This is a really good time. The sale goes on from 23rd to 27th, I think.
Yeah.
So if you are interested, please go. And this is the best time for you to stock up on all products. Thank you so much for watching. If you want more videos like this, please don't forget to subscribe, ring the bell, like, comment, subscribe, ring the bell. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram. My Instagram handle is this.
Please subscribe, please.
If you want to follow my sister,
My handle is this.
so her handle is gonna be down here as well. So go follow us on Instagram, and we really hope you enjoyed. And we're gonna see you in the next one. Bye.
Bye.
Wait, we're gonna do this together. Bye.
Bye.
This is the aftermath of it. Mummy is already cleaning stuff.
Cleaning or sanitizing?
Yeah, she's already sanitizing all the stuff. So before doing an unboxing, just remember your mom is gonna be furious about the mess you
Hi
make.
guys.
Hi, कितने बच्चे?
यार कल बहुत
यार. Hey guys, welcome back. Record हो रहा है?
Hey guys, welcome my.
So we are gonna open and review products, and she's here to pass comments. This is the aftermath of it. Mummy is already cleaning stuff.
Cleaning or sanitizing?
Yeah, she's already sanitizing all the stuff. So before doing an unboxing, just remember your mom is gonna be furious about the mess you
Hi
make.
guys.